Welcome to this tutorial showing how to use the HLOOKUP function in Excel. The HLOOKUP is the counterpart of the very famous VLOOKUP function. The difference is mostly on how the data is set up in your data table. Whereas the VLOOKUP looks for a value within a column going row by row, the HLOOKUP looks for a value in the top row of a table and returns the value in the same column from a row you specify. In other words, looking at a row on top of your data table and going column by column until a match is found, therefore going horizontally, hence the name HLOOKUP, horizontal lookup. The syntax of the HLOOKUP is as followed: equals HLOOKUP, open parentheses, followed by 4 parameters, separated by commas. First, what you want to look up, comma, where you want to look for it, comma, the row number in the range containing the value to return, comma, and finally the type of match you want to use, approximate, indicated as 1 or true, or an exact match, indicated as 0 or false, closing parentheses. Let's go over a couple of examples to see the differences between the two, starting with an exact match. This is our data. Sales by month, January through April, and a value that we want to look up, April. Let's build our HLOOKUP formula. Equals HLOOKUP, open parentheses, the value we want to look up, located in cell C17, April, comma, selecting our data, with or without the labels, it does not matter, comma, the row number that we want to capture, we want the sales amount, which is located in the second row of our data table, therefore 2, comma, and then typing false to get an exact match, closing parentheses, pressing enter. We're getting the value 1300, which is the right sales amount for the month of April. You'll notice that, just like the VLOOKUP, the HLOOKUP is not case sensitive. April was entered all lowercase here. In our data, that's not the case. It did not matter. It returned the right value. Entering a different month, let's say January, we get again the correct sales amount, 1000. May, however, is not found in our data table. Therefore, the HLOOKUP returns NA for not available. Let's go over a second example using an approximate match this time. Just like the VLOOKUP, for the HLOOKUP to work with an approximate match, the data on the first row has to be sorted in ascending order. In our case, we have a list of values labeled as power and corresponding categories from weak to strong. That is the value here that we want to look up, and there is no exact match in our table. However, 1100 is between 1000 and 1500, so we would like to get the category good. Let's build our formula. Equals HLOOKUP, open parentheses, the value we want to look up, located in cell N17, comma, selecting our data, comma, the row within the data table, we want to capture the category, the second row, 2, comma, and then this time true to get an approximate match, closing parentheses, pressing enter, and we're getting the right category, good. Let's test our formula by entering a different value, 300. Weak, that is correct. 300 is between 0 and 500, therefore the category is weak. Let's enter 2000. Strong, again, that is correct. And this is how you perform an approximate match when using an HLOOKUP, pardon me. And this concludes the tutorial about the HLOOKUP function in Excel. Thanks for watching.